I'm Brandin Gorman, your friendly neighborhood HVAC technician from Golden Rule. And today we're going to talk about something that might have you scratching your head. Why is your furnace leaking water? It's a common issue, and I'm here to explain to you in a way that's easy to understand. So you've noticed some water around your furnace, and you're wondering why. Well, there are a few reasons this might be happening. Condensation. Your furnace produces heat, and when that warm air meets the cold metal inside, it can create condensation. Usually this moisture is drained away, but if the drain is blocked or damaged, you might end up seeing water pooling up. Humidifier issues. Some furnaces come with humidifiers to keep your home comfortable. If the humidifier isn't working properly, or if there's a leak in the system, it can lead to water finding its way out. Cracked heat exchanger. Now this is a more serious one. A cracked heat exchanger can cause water leaks and even release harmful gases like carbon monoxide. If you suspect this, don't wait. Turn your furnace off immediately and call a pro. Now let's talk about whether it's an emergency. If it's a small leak, it might not be an immediate emergency, but it still needs attention to prevent bigger problems down the road. However, if you see a major leak or suspect a cracked heat exchanger, treat it like an emergency and shut off your furnace right away. Okay, you've got a leak. What do you do next? Here are your steps. Turn off your furnace. If it's a big leak or you suspect a cracked heat exchanger, turn off your furnace immediately. Check for blockages. If it's a minor leak, take a look at the condensate drain and clear any clogs if you can. Call a pro. If you're not sure or if it's a major issue, don't hesitate to reach out to a licensed HVAC technician like me. We're here to help. Now you might be wondering, why is my furnace leaking water in the summer when I'm not using heat? Well, guess what? Your furnace could still be running to power your air conditioner. And just like heating, cooling can create condensation as well, leading to leaks if there are drainage problems. So there you have it. Furnace leaks are common and they're usually manageable, but it's important to address them promptly to keep your home safe and comfy. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues, so sign up to be a member of the Gold Club and schedule your free annual HVAC checkup. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need help with your HVAC system, don't hesitate to give us a call. Stay comfy, homeowners, and I'll see you next time.